Here's a quick guide to the difference between colour fill and vector flood fill on Affinity Designer for the iPad. We're going to start by creating a simple shape and giving it a colour fill, and then we're going to do the same on a new layer, and we're going to use the vector flood fill. So we're showing it as no fill at the minute, but when I start drawing it's probably going to default to the previous settings. So let's just go back in and turn that fill off, pick up our vector flood fill and give it a vector flood fill. So the outcome is the same, the two look the same, but if we go into the layers palette, you'll see that the original rectangle is a stroke with a fill, but the vector flood fill is also a stroke with a fill, but you also get these sub layers underneath that separates them, which gives us a few options that we can work with. One of the main differences is the control that you've got with the flood fill tool over the normal colour fill tool. Where the colour fill will fill the whole shape, the vector flood fill, with the two shapes combined, both selected in the layers palette, I can select segments that I want to colour, and I can obviously have different colours on the same shape, which you can't do with the colour fill tool.